Are you a creator under 1,000 subscribers? Are you a creator under 500 subscribers? Are you a creator under 100 subscribers? This video is definitely for you, because at the end of this video, you are going to get value that is going to make you to get your subscribers, to get your 1,000 subscribers as fast as 30 days. No joke. I have done this and it worked for me. So this is me giving you the value. I grew a channel under a period of 30 days. I'm going to be attaching the channel under this video. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For you to get your 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible, you have to be unique. Showcase your personality. Do something that differentiates you from other creators. That is going to make your audience to stick with you. That is going to make your audience to pick you among others. That is going to make your audience to know that you are giving value, and the value you are giving is special, is different, is unique from other creators. Develop a unique style that no other creator has rather than you. Another one, specialize in a specific topic. Choose a niche so that you can grow a stable audience. You choosing a niche is going to make you to grow a dedicated audience. Audience that what you are talking about attracts. Audience that has interest in what you are selling. Audience that have interest in what you are talking about, in what you are doing. That is another importance of choosing a niche. Specialize in a topic. You specializing in a niche will help your subscribers to come back, because that is what the person wants. That is the reason why the person subscribed to your channel, because this person has already known that you are talking about a particular something. The person is going to come back to watch your video. One thing about you moving from one niche to another, somebody might subscribe to your channel because of a particular niche, and tomorrow you're not talking about that one again. The person will lose interest in watching your video. But if you choose a niche, this person is going to stick in watching your video. Yes, I know that some people might choose different niches due to one reason or the other. Probably if your niche is not working for you, then you decide to switch to another niche. It is not actually bad, but when you definitely get a niche that is working for you, stick to it. Another one, prioritize creating quality content. Create a quality content. Creating a quality content also make YouTube to push your video to large audience. Create a quality, engaging, and informative content. This is very, very important. Creating a quality, engaging, and informative content will make your audience to come back and watch your video, will even get you more subscribers, because when they click to your channel, they find out that you are creating an informative content that will make the subscribers to stick to your channel. That will make the subscriber to come back again to watch your video. So this is the importance of creating a quality content. Interact with your audience. Interact with your viewers. I started doing that in my channel that I grew under 30 days. I started coming live. I'm not this type of person that come live. Most especially if I come, I didn't see somebody, I will feel somehow. But in that channel, I started coming live. Each time I want to do something, I come live. Even something that is not even related to my content. Then at times I'll just, when I'm cooking, I'll come live, and you will see people that want to watch. People will be coming to my live stream watching. So I will just imagine where those people, you see that live stream also attracts audience. I will be wondering, where are they coming from? So engage with your viewers. Go live. Even if we don't have much to say in your live video, just come live, put your camera. If you are cooking, it can be cooking. People will come and be watching you. Then before you know it, they will start typing message. We'll start interacting with them. Some people will even come. They will start asking you questions. You will be answering them. With that, you are growing community. With that, you are growing dedicated audience. Another one is video optimization. Optimize your video. In my previous video, I talk about this. Optimize your video. It is very, very important. Know the title. Use the rightful title. Use right tags. use the right keyword, use right description. This is going to make your video to go viral. This is going to make YouTube to suggest your video to large audience. In doing this, you will be getting more subscribers and your channel is going to grow as fast as possible. Another one is thumbnails. Thumbnails is very, 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 very important in a video. Create eyes-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails that when somebody see, the person must click. When somebody see, must click. Eyes-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails that is sharp. When you see it, you will be tempted to click on the video. Eyes-catching thumbnails. How do you do that? You can use Canva to design your thumbnails. Look at other people's thumbnails and make your own look more better than theirs. Eyes-catching thumbnails is very, very important because that is the first thing viewers are going to see before clicking into your video. Another one is be consistent. Being consistent doesn't necessarily mean that you will be posting your video every day. You will be posting every day. That is not only how to be consistent in posting. Being consistent is, if you want to post 3 times in a week, just maintain that 3 times in a week. If you want to post 2 times in a week, just maintain that 2 times in a week. If you actually want to be posting every day, maintain it. That is how to be consistent. If you're posting 3 times in a week, your audience have already known that, okay, you have Monday to post, you have Wednesday to post, you have Friday to post, and they will always want to check you out on that day. But when you start jumping, you post today, next tomorrow they didn't see you, the other one they will move to another channel. So be consistent. That is another way to grow. That is another way to get your 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Create quality content. Quality over quantity. It's not by posting every day. You rush to post video without you creating a quality content. Even if it's once in a week, make your content unique. Make it to be quality. Make it to be special, informative. That is going to attract your viewers and make them to come back. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my video, and don't forget to give this video thumbs up. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.